Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. I've got 2 pieces of chicken breast here. We're just going to cut these up into bite-sized pieces or so. They're a little frozen still, but also a little defrosted. We're making chicken curry with white rice. Tonight, it's gonna be so delicious. This is a very warm and cozy meal my family enjoys. It's quite easy. Just gonna cut up some chicken. I put sliced carrots, potatoes, curry powder, and there's this yellow curry sauce packet at the store. We don't have any, so I have this Thai red curry paste I'm gonna use with coconut milk, curry powder, I believe onion and garlic, and we're gonna simmer it till the potatoes and chicken are cooked, and it's time to eat once the rice is done. It's gonna be incredibly delicious, warm and cozy, and definitely filling. I need to sharpen my knives, but haven't done it yet. I don't know what. I think I cut a chicken breast in half, and this is some weird chunk of it. Just trying to get as many little pieces as I can. It's a one-pot meal, y'all. Besides, you have to make a side of rice, or you could just eat it with bread or whatever, naan. So delicious. This is going to be a good bit of chicken, which is what we need. I just sliced up some carrots that I bought a big bag of, and to store them I keep them in the freezer sliced, and I'll just throw them in whatever I want. Curry, chicken noodle, fried rice. So delicious, and I love having them on hand. I could buy it from the store frozen, or I could put them in the freezer myself, and a big bag of carrots is not that expensive, so it'll get you through a couple meals. Now this chicken's a little weird, so hopefully it's gonna be okay tonight. Lots of different sizes here. It's okay. This is my favorite knife, the shape or kind of it, knife style. This is probably a breast or two. Alrighty, it's a decent bit of chicken. Can always make more if need be. Try to get these weird bits off. It's a pretty quick and easy dinner as well. Great for dinner, lunch, good leftovers. I think I usually put ginger in it too, so I'll have to get some of that out. This will be easy, y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna turn the back burner on very low. I'm gonna put some salt and pepper in this pot. I washed up about 5 pretty big potatoes, russets. It's what we prefer in our curry. We've tried the yellow gold, and the skins are just a little weird sometimes, so we don't prefer them. Now these bits here, we don't really like either. Well, they just get a weird texture in the meal, so I just get rid of them. I'm gonna put them in decent chunks, just using the same plate, y'all. Probably should keep them aside. Turn this up a little. I think I'm gonna get a little color on the chicken, and then I don't exactly remember the order to cook this in. I think I'm just gonna throw them in, y'all. No, I should wait. I'm gonna have to throw them in though, because they're gonna turn brown. I'm gonna give this a little stir. Hopefully we can get some color going on there. I'm gonna turn it pretty high. Throw these potatoes in. I might need 2 cans of coconut milk. We're just throwing it in, y'all. Going for it. It's got the starch or carb in 2 forms. This is bulk and probably healthier than rice. I'm not sure though. Got your protein, veggie, sauce all over rice. Delicious. I might need to add a little more chicken, but that's totally doable. Can add that in later or whatever. Try to get them all about the same size, but it doesn't always work that way. Lots of potatoes. This meal freezes well too. Just freeze the curry in a bag or container. You can defrost it, heat it back up, serve it over rice. You could even freeze rice separate. I'm sure you could freeze a container of this curry on the rice. So delicious. Meal prep. This is such a delicious meal. We love it. There's my 5 potatoes. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper on some of these potatoes. Can handle a lot of salt and pepper, because potatoes and chicken over rice, definitely. I need to fill my pepper up. I'm gonna put a little, well, we'll put some of this red curry paste with some coconut milk. I'm gonna try to toast up some of this paste first. It's about half full or so. This jar's only half a cup. I'm gonna try to get in there. I got a little open space. We're gonna spoon some of this in. 2 teaspoons or so. I might have to just finish this little jar off. This jar's only half a cup, 4 ounces. I think we're just gonna finish it. So I can put a little coconut milk in here to get all that out. This jar is adorable. I'm definitely saving it. Get this paste down in there to cook a little bit. All right, y'all, I've got 1 can of coconut milk open. I shook it up. Pour some into this paste. Get that stirred around. I think I need to add a little water as well. Forgot I was going to add it to this jar. I can put the water in the jar. Some curry powder. Probably a teaspoon or two. This stuff's delicious. Put maybe a tablespoon. I think I put onion, garlic, and some ginger. That was garlic, onion, pinch of ginger. Got about 2 ounces of water in here, about half of it. Pour it in. Beautiful. And I've got about a cup of water in my coconut can to get all that coconut milk out, because I need to get these potatoes submerged. Pretty clean, but there's still a little bit in there. I'm going to stir this around. All that deliciousness. And as soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to get some rice cooking in the rice cooker. Pretty submerged, almost. I just sliced these fresh carrots yesterday, so I'm going to pour some of those in. 2 cups or so. I can't taste it yet because the chicken or potatoes aren't cooked, and we will just let that simmer. I'm gonna bring it up to a bowl, let it simmer for probably 10-20 minutes, and I need to get that rice cooking. All right, y'all, we're simmering here. I turned it down low. I'm gonna give it a stir. Oh yeah, I can smell the potatoes starting to cook already. I might need to add some more coconut milk, but we also like a thicker curry, so I think I'll add a cornstarch slurry at the end because we like a little thick sauce. The rice is cooking. It'll take about 20 or 30 minutes, I don't remember. And I've got my curry on as low as she can go. Cooking it up. Hey, y'all, I got the heat back on here. It finished cooking quite quickly, 10-15 minutes, quick and easy. I should have got the rice going before, but that's no big deal. It's still really hot. And I had a little bit, maybe a tablespoon or 4 teaspoons left of the curry powder. I added a little more and it thickened right up, y'all. I added a little bit of water and the rice just went off. I need to get it off the element here. Shut this booger down. This makes 4 cups. We love it. It's perfect for our little family. Got everything ready to rock and roll here. Put that to the side so we can take care of our meal. I put the heat back on this curry, so I'm going to cut that because it's pretty hot. It looks delicious. Added a little salt, onion powder, and a little water. And like I said, that curry powder thickened it right. So as you can see, it's more like a gravy kind of now. That'll be perfect. Could have added more chicken, but here we are. And this silicone spoon works perfect for the rice because it doesn't stick. People have those like flat rice spoons. I don't have one. Perfect. Make a little indent, kind of like a dam, like you might do for gravy. Serve my family, and it's time to eat, y'all. Quick and easy, comforting, delicious, one pot, basically, dinner. Mostly one pot. This would be good with like some naan or something. All right, y'all. Get a lot of chicken in this one. Chicken and less carrots. If I can find a lot of chicken. The pieces kind of turned out small. That's okay. It's kind of a few carrots in there, but no big deal. That looks incredible. Okay, now I want lots of carrots. So good, quick and easy, different if you don't have this all the time. All right, y'all, here we go. Here we have it. Delicious dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, consider subscribing, giving this video a like, and letting us know what you think down below. We really appreciate y'all supporting us in our kitchen and seeing what we feed the fam. Peace out, y'all. Bon appetit. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon.